come here.
Here they come. You can tell they're getting tired, Logan.
Yeah. 8. Go! 8. 7.
Which one's gonna fall down or run into something first?
I feel like I should be
Who's going to pass out first?
Yeah.
Gatorade.
I'm just looking at them, almost hitting their head on the.
Come on! 8!
I can't.
Count.
Okay.
High fives! High fives! There you go! There you go! Woo! High fives! That's if you girls are in charge of high fives next time around. That's good for 3 more laps. Yeah.
We're on it this time.
Come on! 7! Here we go! High fives! High fives! Here we go! 7!
High five, Charlie!
7!
High five, Harrison!